Vektor Medical is an early growth stage commercial company. We've leveraged AI to help better understand and revolutionize the standard of care in arrhythmia. Today's modern electrophysiology lab is one that's incredibly complex. There's 100 different tools, and even with all of these tools, we're still doing empirical ablations that have nothing to do with the patient. There's a lot of trial and error, a lot of guesswork, which leads to long procedures and suboptimal outcomes. And the way I like to think of Vektor Medical is simply the Google Maps for arrhythmias. We all, when we went to the airport, we used to think we could beat Google Maps. Well, now we all use it every single day. It's the same for us at Vektor Medical. We're providing the arrhythmia location before the procedure even starts or throughout the procedure. I talk about suboptimal outcomes. What does that mean? Well, this is a study by EuroPace, over 100 different outcome studies, and it shows that 2-year follow-up, a 43% success rate for persistent AF. That's not good enough. Why does this matter? Number one cause of death in the world, 5 times more likely to have a stroke if you have an arrhythmia. It's also a major cause of dementia. So enter VMAP. What is VMAP? VMAP's a system, like I said, it utilizes artificial intelligence, deep computational learning to provide in about 20 or 30 seconds the probabilistic location of your arrhythmia, whether focal or fibrillatory. Our value propositions are very basic. We were invented to improve outcomes. We drive procedural efficiencies because we're able to interact with ECG multiple places throughout the care pathway. And we have a CPT-3 code that allows us to bring additional revenue into the procedure. We're really proud of our clinical evidence. We actually have over 50 clinical presentations, abstracts, and publications. Our growth story has been one that we're incredibly proud of. So you can see, I actually had my team put this together. The growth scale doesn't look real, step by step by step, but I'm delighted to announce in 2026, we'll do more procedures than we did in all of our history. If you look at our case mix, we match the procedures that are being done. We do atrial flutter, we do atrial fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia, and PVCs. We have an incredible team, some of the best advisors from around the world. We're delighted to offer an incredible array of diversity in terms of academic acknowledgement and regional specialities. And today we're raising a $25 million Series B round. It's intended to continue our ecstatic commercial growth and bring forward the clinical evidence that we've been putting forth. Anyone who's interested, please see me after the presentation, and thank you so much.